Hello and congratulations on being close to the completion of week 1 of AC1160. Remember that by the end of the week we want to have the quiz in there and the discussions if at all possible. These two items, especially the quiz being something that cannot generally be made up and it is multiple choice, so make sure to get that in if possible before the due date. If there is any kind of problems like technical issues, we take that on a case-by-case basis. Of course, in week 1 we covered chapter 6 and chapter 8. Inventory, so inventory being important to anybody who obviously sells inventory, but also the estimations on inventory cost flow assumptions are really good types of estimations to just understand the double entry accounting system and matching and that type of thing. We then went to the cash and internal controls. We will continue on that next week as well. So chapter 8, we're going to continue with that next week. One of the most important things from just a technical point is going to be the bank reconciliations, because that's basically the second best check against making an error other than the double entry accounting system itself. So that is worth spending time on. Internal controls is an introduction to internal controls here. That is also a topic that is very big in the current topics today and currently debated, so it's good to have an understanding of that. If any of this work has not been completed by Sunday, the rest of the work here you generally can turn in for late work, for late credit, for late points. Just make sure to check the gradebook and see what is in there. Remember that the gradebook is up here on the left-hand side, of course. And once you have completed week 1, you should have a vision of what this should look like. You should see all the stuff that says week 1 in here and know what it should be at. And then by Tuesday, hopefully around noon on Tuesday, I should have everything implemented through week 1. And you want to go in here on Tuesday and make sure to check. And if there's anything that is a 0 in here, then see if you can pick it up, or anything that's not full credit, see if you can pick it up for full credit. I will then grade everything that is done in week 2, including any late work for week 1, by the following week on Tuesday. So at that time, everything will be updated again, so you can work through it. It will not populate automatically, but by the next Tuesday, it should be updated. So that's it for the close, so congratulations on completing up the first week.